Today I'm going to give you a little taste of how I use SolidWorks to create the hip for my IG-12 build. I've been a CAD designer for over 25 years and used SolidWorks since 1998. I've used many programs. This is the one I'm probably the most familiar with. That's why I stick with it. To quote Docking Bay 367, use what you know and figure out the rest. That's pretty much how I take every build that I do. Here I'm just going to put a construction line in so that when I put this circle in, the circle will be centered on the other part. If I make any changes going forward, it'll always be centered because it's off a construction line instead of a solid dimension. If you'd like me to create some videos on how to do certain things in SolidWorks, let me know in the comments of something you'd be interested in knowing how to do. There are some little unorthodox things that I've learned through the years that people don't think to do that I would be willing to demonstrate if someone's interested in them. Here I'm just adding some gussets. They kind of are twofold. They are structural and they actually give a little visual extra to the hip. Then I bring it into Cura. I'm going to suppress most of the support so that the only support is on that one edge, because that one edge is going to be seen and the support will help with how that looks when it's printed. And through the magic of film, here are both of them printed. They took about 10 to 12 hours each. The ring that you see in the bottom will hold another piece that I am currently working on, and it will be in a future video, of course. Here I realize the hip works well, but I have no way to stop it from rotating, so when I put the upper torso on, it's either going to lean forward or backwards and could crash the head down. I am going to fix this with a pin in a future video, but for the sake of this one, here's how the hip joints look. Very anemic legs coming out the bottom. That will be changed soon. Thanks for watching.